Hello students, welcome back to chapter number 3 of history, that is effects of British rule. In the previous lecture, we have studied that 3 wars were fought between the Marathas and the British. In the first war, Maratha got victory. In the second war, Marathas were defeated, and in the third war, Baji Rao II was defeated. Dear students, in this lecture, we are going to learn about Chhatrapati Pratap Singh and his work. Let us start Chhatrapati Pratap Singh. Although the Peshwaship came to an end, Chhatrapati Pratap Singh of Satara was still ruling. Britishers signed a treaty with Chhatrapati Pratap Singh and appointed Grand Duke as an officer to assist him in the state affairs. My dear students, even though Peshwaship came to an end, Chhatrapati Pratap Singh ruled from Satara. British rulers appointed Grand Duke to assist him in the state affairs. The Chhatrapati was dethroned and exiled to Kashi. He died there in 1847. Dear students, the meaning of dethrone means remove from power. Chhatrapati was removed from his power and exiled. Exile means banishment. Exiled to Kashi, and there he died in 1847. Rango Bapuji Gupte, a loyal officer of the Chhatrapati, fought the legal battle and went up to England, but his efforts were unsuccessful. My dear students, here Rango Bapuji Gupte is one of the loyal officer of Chhatrapati. He fought the legal battle and he went up to England, but his efforts were not successful. Later, Lord Dalhousie rejected the adoption policy in 1848 annexed the state of Satara. Dear students, afterwards Lord Dalhousie rejected the adoption policy, and in 1848 he annexed means added or merged. He merged the state of Satara. Now, do you know? Here we are going to learn about the work done by Chhatrapati Pratap Singh. Chhatrapati Pratap Singh made provision of water to the city by building a water tank on the backside of Yauteshwar temple and Mahadara in Satara. My dear students, he built a water tank on the back side of Yauteshwar temple and Mahadara, which supplied water to Satara city. Roads were built in the city. Trees were planted on both sides of the road. He built roads and planted trees on both the sides of the road. Schools were built for boys and girls for teaching Sanskrit, Marathi and language, that is English. Dear students, here Sanskrit, Marathi and English, for these three languages was taught to girls and boys in schools. Printing press was set up and many useful books were published. In 1827, Sabhaniti, a book on polity, was printed. My dear students, he set up the printing press and many books were published. One of the book, that is, the title of the book is Sabhaniti, which was on polity. It was printed. He built road from Satara to Mahabaleshwar to Pratapgarh. The same road further extended to Mahad. The students, a road connecting Satara to Mahabaleshwar to Pratapgarh was built by him, which was further extended, it means spread, to Mahad. He used to write personal daily diary. Dear students, now we are going to learn about the effect of British rule on India. First, the reason of the first effect is dual government. Dual government means it is the traditional hierarchical political system of Tibetan people. Robert Clive in 1765 introduced the dual government system in Bengal. The company undertook the work of revenue collection, whereas the Nawab of Bengal had to maintain law and order. This was known as dual government system. Dear students, Robert Clive, he introduced the dual government system in Bengal in 1765, wherein the East India Company took over the revenues collection and the maintenance of peace, and order was left with the Nawab of Bengal. This system was known as dual government system. Now let us see the effects which were ill. Ill means the bad, which was not good. The ill effects of dual government system could be seen after certain time period. Money in the form of taxes went into the pockets of the company officers. The monopoly of trade in India was given to East India Company, and hence many trading companies in England envied them. Dear students, here the ill effect of dual government system, it could be seen after the certain period, such as money in the form of taxes went into the pockets of the company officers, and the monopoly of trade in India, which was given to East India Company, and so many trading companies in England envied them. Dear students, envied means to be jealous. In England, they were jealous to them. The working system of the company in India received criticism in England, and British Parliament introduced some important laws to keep control over the company. Dear students, the working system which was started in India, it received criticism in England, and British Parliament introduced laws which were important for the purpose to keep control over the company. My dear students, remaining effects of the British rule on India, such as parliamentary laws, it means Regulating Act and Pitt's India Act. We will learn about this in our next video. My dear students, read the lesson carefully and write down the notes which I will provide you. You have to complete your notebooks. Thank you and have a nice day.